we prematurely invest in additional capacity in our system, we have to ask, are we getting as much out of our existing investments as we possibly can? Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. If the value a system creates is governed by its constraint, and we have correctly identified that constraint, our next step must be to optimize it, which is another way of saying, let's get as much as we can from our existing investment. In the same way Zen Buddhists say that the optical is the power, so too with the theory of constraints. A gain at the constraint, however large or small, is a gain for the system as a whole. Optimization at the constraint is almost always a scheduling challenge. What work will the constraint be doing, for whom, and when? What are the opportunity costs of choosing one schedule over another, and thereby selecting one product group over another, or satisfying one customer over another? How much time of our critically constrained resource will be lost waiting for an upstream product or process to complete? What is the bang for buck for every minute the constraint works on one choice versus its next best alternative? How do we ensure that the drumbeat of the constraint becomes the cadence of all the upstream processes which precede it and the downstream ones that follow? By definition, when you optimize the constraint, you're optimizing the value your system is capable of producing. My course for Systems Thinkers explores scheduling methods for projects, production, and replenishment, which optimize value delivered from constraints and thereby contribute significantly to delivering consistently high performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.